Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake without biscuit, updated. Preheat oven to 160 degrees C and grease a springform pan thoroughly. Beat cream cheese until smooth, then add sugar, eggs, and vanilla in stages for a silky texture. Fold in sour cream gently and pour into pan over your chosen base alternative. Bake in a water bath until set at the edges, then cool gradually and chill before slicing and serving. For the base, consider a thin-baked sponge, almond crust, or pressed cookie dough to replace traditional biscuit crumbs. Each option changes texture and flavor, so pick one that matches your topping. Blind bake the base briefly when needed to prevent sogginess and cool it before adding the filling. This ensures a stable bottom and clean slices. Experiment with flavors like lemon or cocoa to complement your filling and toppings. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and music while you bake. It's compact and sounds great for kitchen use. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Warm ingredients, gentle mixing, and a water bath are the keys to a silky, crack-free cheesecake without a biscuit base. Beat cream cheese until smooth, then mix in sugar and vanilla, and add eggs one at a time without overbeating. Fold in sour cream for creaminess and pour carefully onto the prepared base. Bake until the center slightly jiggles, cool slowly in the oven, then chill thoroughly for best texture and clean slices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.